Hey guys, it's Memorial Day and we're working. We're only going to work a half a day today. I got here about 6:30 this morning trying to get these jambs. We pretty much got the jambs installed here. If you'll take a look at it. You know, we had to cut all of our bullnose because this throat depth was shallow, so we had to cut probably a 1/4 inch off each bullnose so it would wrap properly. And we did this down here. I like to break the joint. It just looks a lot better. And we got the little front part of the curb on. Looks so nice. I allowed room for tile up under this. We still got to put in these cuts, these miters. But I just set this. So I don't want to set anything on top of it because it'll make it drop. So we'll do that tomorrow. DB is going to come in here and waterproof this for me before he goes today. And then we can do that one, and then we're gonna run upstairs and finish the upstairs tomorrow. So we're about done with the shower except for the shower floor. We're gonna wait and do that very last after we grout. So we'll put that in. So we've got about another week to finish up this project. So this tile ran pretty good, not as good as the material did upstairs, but it still looks great. You know, it's kind of a whitish gray material, so it's porcelain. I'm not sure what color grout they picked yet, but it's gonna look really nice. So we're gonna wrap this bad boy up today here in about 30 minutes and enjoy the rest of our holiday.